4 health benefits of eating Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are a type of nut that is native to the Amazon River. They are harvested by indigenous people in Brazil, but also consumed around the world. Here are 4 health benefits of eating Brazil nuts. What are Brazil nuts? Brazil nuts are rich in selenium, which is an amino acid that helps prevent against cancer. One study found that people who consumed 3 or more Brazil nuts per week had a 51% reduced risk of developing stomach cancer when compared to people who rarely ate the nuts. The reason for this is because they contain high levels of selenium, which gives them their unique flavor and nutty taste. Why are Brazil nuts considered healthy? Brazil nuts are high in essential nutrients, including magnesium, copper, zinc, selenium, and vitamin E. They are also rich in fiber and protein. They are often touted as the easiest nuts to digest. This is because it's easier to break down their cell walls when compared to other hard-shelled nuts. Which benefits can I expect from eating Brazil nuts? There are many benefits that you can expect when eating Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the best sources of selenium. Brazil nuts are rich in healthy fats, making them a perfect snack for people on a low-carbohydrate diet. Brazil nuts also have a high content of magnesium and tryptophan, which can help with muscle control and sleep patterns. Brazil nuts are high in selenium, which can protect against oxidative stress. They're also a good source of magnesium, which may help lower blood pressure and regulate heart rhythm. The high level of fat found in Brazil nuts is mostly unsaturated fat that's good for your heart. And they're the only nut that contains CoQ10, a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and improve brain function. Where can I buy Brazil nuts? Brazil nut trees are known to primarily grow in the Amazon rainforest of Brazil, but they can also be found in parts of Central America, West Africa, and East Africa. Brazil nuts are usually harvested by climbing up into the tree and shaking the branches. You can often find this tasty treat at your local grocery store. What other food should I eat with Brazil nuts to get the most health benefits? Brazil nuts are good for you and they taste pretty good too. They contain a lot of protein and lots of essential vitamins and minerals. But it's important to eat them with other foods to get the most health benefits. The best way to do this is by adding Brazil nuts into your breakfast or lunch. Conclusion. Brazil nuts are very healthy for you because they are high in selenium, but they are also hard to crack open. That's where the nutcracker comes in handy. If you don't have one, try using a hammer. Hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like, share and comment on our video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.